Hello guys, welcome to our channel How to Do It tutorial videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to post your template on CapCut. So without further ado, let's get started. So open up your CapCut and then in here choose a template that you want to edit. So you can edit this anything you want, like you can add text, you can add stickers, or you can also put some music and animations in here. So you can do basically whatever you want in here, and then once you're done, you just go ahead and tap the save icon at the top right corner, and then you can choose where to save it. You can share it to TikTok or save it to your device. You can also choose the quality of the video that you want to send. And you can save and share it to TikTok instantly or save to device. So you just have to wait for the exporting time. There you go. So once done, again, you can share it to TikTok or any other social media account. Or you can either send it as a template. So to share your content as a template on CapCut, you have to be a pro editor or a regular editor. So if you are, a button will appear just below the share to TikTok, which is share as template. I don't have that because my CapCut is not on pro version. You can also share it via Messenger or just copy the link and share it to your Facebook. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.